Okay, so this question is maximum product between two pairs. So, yeah, so you can read it, and I'm going to make my own words for the questions. So, basically, you want to traverse the array to find out the two different pairs which has what, the product difference between this guy, x maximize. So how do you get a maximize value? Like, imagine, anyway, I'm going to make an array. So the array is sorted in the increasing order. So in order to get, the maximum value, right? The top two element, right, has to be a pair, and the bottom two, the minimum two element, has to be together as a pair. Then you subtract, this is A, this is B. A minus B, you will get a maximum value. So one of the solutions is actually using the sort. So you sort the array, and then you get the last two elements, subtract the first two elements, right? So let's look at this. It's not hard, it's just a little bit thinking. So array.sort nums. So you can get what? I'm going to just initialize my n equal to nums.length because I was using it a lot. So return nums at n minus 1 times nums at n minus 2, right? The last two element. And I'm going to subtract by the first. Actually, this is time. Sorry. Subtract by the first two. Alright, last two minus first two, right? Product. Oh, this is what I'm doing. Alright, pause. Yes. So if you don't want to initialize this, then it's fine. I mean, it's not a big deal, but yeah, a little bit longer. Still submit. Alright. So time and space, this is only time, n log n represent end of the nums. Space is constant, right? Let's talk about another solution. So when I traverse every single one of the elements in the array, I want to make sure I have full value to keep track. One is what? Mean 1, mean 2, max 1, max 2. And later on we'll just say max 1 times max 2 minus mean 1 times mean 2. Alright. It's not hard, it's depending on how you do it. So yeah, so one of the conditions you can say, oh, if there's nums are less than 4. Actually, yeah, this is not a condition. Alright, so I'm going to say in max 1 and initial the value to mean value, max 2 integer dot mean value, and then mean 1 equal to integer dot max value, mean 2 equal to integer dot max value, right? So I will traverse in my array. I will just keep max.max for the max 1, max 2, and mean 2 is going to be max.min for mean 1 and mean 2. So if nums at I is greater than max 1 or nums at I greater than max 2, right? This is one of the condition, right? So I will reset my max 2 equal to max.max, max 2, max 1, something like this. And then max 1 will become the nums I, right? So this is going to be saying like, oh, if this condition happening, I'm going to, the max 2 is going to be pick the largest one between, any one of them, right? And max 1 will get updated to the current value. Alright, this is going to be similar things, but let's look at this. So you can use else if, but I would like to use the condition I like. So nums I less than mean 1 or nums I less than mean 2, right? So this will be a condition you can say, oh, mean 2 equal to max.min, mean 2, mean 1, you pick the random one, and this is going to represent the nums I, right? And then at the end, you want to say, oh, max2 multiply max1 minus min2 multiply min1. Something like this, right? Yeah, if you want the parenthesis, you can do it, but it's not hurt. I mean, it doesn't hurt, so. What the heck? Alright, let's go. Alright, so for this one, the time and space are a little bit better. I mean, space is still constant, time is all of them, right? So if you still have a question, leave a comment. I will see you next time. Bye.